Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to add a table of contents to a text in Google Docs. So table of contents are helpful because they improve navigation for the reader and they let the reader know what to expect. So before you add the table of contents, you have to make sure that all your headers have been formatted properly. So what I mean, you highlight and you make sure you either give it a H1, H2 or H3 tag. So I'm going to do this for all of my headers. That one's already a H2. That one is a H2. Haven't done this one yet, so I'm going to highlight that one, make it a H2. What's this one? I'm going to change that to a H3. Then when I'm happy with my headers, I'm going to go to where I want to add the table of contents. So in this instance, it's at the top. So when I put my cursor where I want the table of contents, I'm going to click on Insert, go to the bottom where it says Page Elements, and I'm going to scroll over to where it says Table of Contents. So you have three options. You can have like plain text, dotted, or links. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click on dotted and my table of contents has been added. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.